In today's video, I'm going to show you a highly profitable and completely free affiliate marketing strategy that can make you a lot of money in no time. You don't need to be a genius to do this. Even as a complete beginner, you can easily follow along. All you require is a device with internet access, and I'll guide you through the steps to achieve success in today's video. If you want to learn how to earn over $2,300 a week using this strategy, simply comment with your country, and I'll customize everything for you. Welcome back to Chronicles. We upload new and exciting money-making videos daily. Please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first to know about our latest uploads. Before everything else, I want to share a powerful message that will help you on your journey to becoming a millionaire. The path to wealth and success begins with the belief in your own potential and the unwavering determination to achieve greatness. Repeat these affirmations daily and comment down below this, "I am a millionaire." Now, let's start. Firstly, you'll want to go to a platform called anywhere.com. This amazing software can generate a document for you within minutes. Click Start for free to create an account. Once you're in their back office, select Blog Wizard, and then choose the type of post you want to create. For example, I'll type "How to make money with affiliate marketing" and select Online Education. After clicking Next, the software will create an article with various options. Choose the best one, and you can even generate more options if needed. Next, it will provide you with an outline, which you can easily edit. Click Next to proceed to the editor, where you can add keywords, and the AI will generate content accordingly. Once you're satisfied, copy the content to your clipboard and paste it into a Google Doc. Now, to monetize your article, sign up for an affiliate marketing program like ClickBank or Digistore. Search for products related to your article's topic and generate your affiliate link. Paste this link at the end of your article, along with a call to action. Once your article is ready, download the Google Doc as a PDF document. We'll share it on gumroad.com, sign up for free and click Create your first product. Name your product and select it as a digital asset. Set a price for your product, but consider starting low, such as $1. Upload a cover image for the PDF and complete the product information section. Scroll down to Content and upload your PDF document. Save the changes and publish the product. Now, share your product on social media platforms to attract potential buyers. Gumroad receives millions of visitors every month, so it's a great place to promote your product. People who purchase your PDF may also click on your affiliate link, giving you an additional opportunity to earn money. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to creating more exciting content. Have a fantastic week.